In this video, we're going to show you how to install the supplied AI chip into your Solink recording device, also referred to as the QNAP. The steps in this video will be the same as long as you have the following recording device models. Make sure that you have a Phillips screwdriver for installation. Let's start by powering down the device. Hold the power button in the front until the lights turn off to power down the unit. Once the device is powered down, you can safely remove all of the cables in the back of the unit. Now we're going to remove the front of the unit so that we can remove the hard drives inside. Slide the lock down here to unlock the front of the unit. This allows you to slide the front cover off just like this. And now you can carefully remove the drives. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screws around the edges of the unit. On the front part of the unit that you just removed, there's a little magnet here that you can store your screws so that you don't lose them. Now hold one side of the unit and pull on the other just like this to remove the enclosure. Lay the unit down flat so that you can begin the installation of the AI chip. You can install the AI chip in either of these two slots right here. These clips here will hold the AI chip in place. Press down using your finger to release one of the clips. Now align the AI chip like so and make sure that it smoothly goes into the slot like this. Push down on the AI chip to snap it in place. And here's just an example of when it's not secured. You just want to make sure that you push it down all the way so that you hear that snap. Now place the enclosure back onto the unit and lock it in place. Screw the enclosure back on, place the drives back into the unit, put the cover back on, and make sure to lock it. Finally, plug all of the cables back in. And you successfully installed the AI chip into your Solink recording device.